Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a new collection on Shopify. It is always a good choice to keep things organized, even in real life. You would prefer to know where things are placed. On Shopify, you can group your products into collections to make it easier for customers to find them by category. Grouping your products by category will help you gain a huge advantage in showcasing your other products as well. Once the collection is already created, it can now be shown on your online store as a web page with gallery of the products that are in the collection. Your customers can then click a product image on the collection page to visit a specific product page. You can help customers find and view collections by adding links to the collections in a menu in your store's navigation. For now, let us walk you through adding a new collection on Shopify. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access your Shopify store admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the product section on the left side and select Collection under Products. By default, the home page is always there. It is a collection of all of your products. Click the Create Collection button on the upper right of the page to start creating one. Name the title of this collection and indicate the description. Select the collection type. A manual collection includes only the products that you choose individually. Because of this, the collection always contains the same products unless you specifically add or remove products. An automated collection uses selection conditions to automatically include matching products. You can define as many selection conditions as you want. You can also specify whether products need to meet all of the conditions or any of the conditions to be included in the collection. When you add a new product that matches the selection conditions for a collection, the product is automatically added to the collection. Automated collections are usually preferred because after you set up the conditions, future products are added automatically. Please be advised that after you create a collection, you can't change its type. For this example, I will select an automatic collection. If you have selected automatic, you need to set the conditions. For this example, I will be setting a product tag on where it will be automatically added to the collection. So it's up to you if you wanted to add more conditions to this collection. Upload the collection image, and once you're done, click the Save button on top. You should see a green callout informing you that you have already created a new collection. Just click the View Online Store link to view your collection on your online store. There's still no products added yet. To add products to this collection, just open the product detail page and add the required tag for it to be added to the collection that you have created, and just save your changes. As you can see that the products on where we added the tag was already added to this collection. And that, ladies and gents, are the steps in creating a new collection on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!